Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the latest reviews, specs, and features of the most exciting cars on the market. If you love high-performance vehicles and want to stay updated with the newest releases, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Today, we are diving into the highly anticipated 2026 Ferrari 812 GTS with its all-new Aero kit. This grand tourer has already impressed enthusiasts with its blend of power, luxury, and open-top driving experience, and now, with the addition of an advanced aerodynamic package, it takes performance and styling to the next level. Ferrari has always been at the forefront of aerodynamics, and the 2026 812 GTS Aero kit is designed to enhance both speed and stability. The new Aero package includes a redesigned front bumper with larger air intakes, a more aggressive front splitter, and improved air channels to optimize airflow around the vehicle. These modifications reduce drag while increasing downforce, ensuring better handling and stability, especially at high speeds. The side skirts have also been redesigned to improve airflow management, while the rear now features a more pronounced diffuser and an updated rear wing that enhances grip on the road. Under the hood, the 2026 Ferrari 812 GTS retains its legendary 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine, which continues to be one of the most powerful engines in a front-engine Ferrari. With an output of around 820 horsepower and a redline that screams past 9,000 RPM, this machine delivers an exhilarating driving experience. The Aero kit is not just for aesthetics but also plays a crucial role in cooling the engine more efficiently, allowing it to maintain peak performance during spirited driving. The exhaust system has also been reworked to produce an even more aggressive and distinctive sound, ensuring that the 812 GTS continues to be an auditory delight. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Ferrari 812 GTS with the Aero kit delivers improved aerodynamics, allowing it to achieve quicker acceleration and better cornering ability. The updated Aero package enhances the car's balance at high speeds, making it more predictable and confidence-inspiring for drivers who enjoy pushing their cars to the limit. With a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of around 2.7 seconds and a top speed exceeding 211 miles per hour, this grand tourer is not just about luxury and style but also sheer performance. Inside the cabin, Ferrari maintains its driver-focused approach with high-quality materials, a modern infotainment system, and a digital instrument cluster that provides real-time performance data. The seats are designed for both comfort and support, ensuring an engaging driving experience whether you're cruising along the highway or attacking tight corners on a mountain pass. The 812 GTS continues to offer an open-top experience with its retractable hardtop, which operates seamlessly at speeds up to 30 miles per hour, allowing drivers to enjoy the full symphony of the V12 engine without compromise. One of the standout features of the 2026 model is the improved suspension and steering system, which work in harmony with the aerodynamics to provide an even more responsive and engaging drive. The latest version of Ferrari's side-slip control system helps manage power delivery and traction, ensuring that the car remains stable even under aggressive driving conditions. The addition of an improved braking system with carbon ceramic rotors further enhances stopping power, giving drivers confidence to push the car harder. Overall, the 2026 Ferrari 812 GTS with the Aero kit is a perfect blend of power, performance, and refined aerodynamics. It takes everything that made the previous 812 GTS special and elevates it with cutting-edge aerodynamic enhancements. Whether you are a collector, an enthusiast, or someone who simply appreciates the art of automotive engineering, this Ferrari is a masterpiece worth considering. That wraps up our in-depth look at the 2026 Ferrari 812 GTS with its new Aero kit. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more content on the latest cars, make sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more exciting automotive updates. Let us know in the comments what you think about this new Ferrari and what other cars you would like us to cover next. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.